Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. Summer is the season where gathering and enjoying the outdoors with family and friends is a must. As we soak in the sun, enjoy some barbecue, and relaxing and lounging in the pool. So what better time it is to host gatherings with family and friends. Today, come with me as we get our backyard patio ready for this summer. I love showing you where I have purchased and what we purchased to achieve the look of turning this patio space to host our dining, to give you the ideas in case you would also like to recreate. This patio area is a space we have not fully utilized. I'm really happy to use it to entertain and serve our guests as we set it up for our breakfast, lunch, or dinner gatherings this summer, as this patio is the perfect spot for dining. And in helping us create this patio dining space, this video is in collaboration with DOMI. DOMI Outdoor Living was created in the desire to bring the warmth of the home to the outdoors. They consistently strive towards their goal in creating products that embodied and invoke a sense of warmth to any outdoor living space. And in helping us create our perfect patio dining space, they have sent us their cantilever patio umbrella in the size 12 feet long in square shape, as well as their patio umbrella base to hold this tough, strong umbrella in place. Experience unparalleled versatility with the cantilever patio umbrella's ability to rotate a full 360 degrees to adjust the umbrella to your desired angle effortlessly, providing optimal shade at any time of day by simply using the handle to crank. This patio umbrella is crafted with aluminum support columns and galvanized steel umbrella ribs. This large patio umbrella is designed to withstand even the gustiest of winds. The addition of a triangular stabilizing structure at the top further reinforces the umbrella's stability. It is made of high-strength fabric that features polyester color woven fabric with a PA coating, providing water resistance. This durable fabric material ensures longevity, allowing for up to 3 years of continuous use. Enjoy superior protection from the elements from their long-lasting canopy fabric designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor living for years to come. Beyond its functional benefits, a double-top ventilated canopy design adds a touch of modern elegance to any outdoor space. Its sleek and contemporary appearance complements a wide range of outdoor decor styles, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your patio, deck, or garden. Designed with user convenience in mind, setting up and operating this cantilever patio umbrella is a breeze. Enjoy a hassle-free shade whenever you need it without any complicated assembly process. It was extremely easy to assemble, as you will see that we simply unboxed the base and umbrella, and all that was needed to do was attach the steel support to the base and screw them on together. We are extremely surprised with how big and wide this umbrella is giving us, the massive amount of shade coverage, and how tough and sturdy it is made. We are so happy to have this umbrella be part of our backyard. We just know it will also be perfect to use by the pool to provide the ultimate comfortable, relaxing swimming experience. With its 3 amazing features of cast aluminum support that supports the top of the umbrella to keep stable in different weathers, its smooth and easy sliding handle to adjust the umbrella, and is made of stable structures of 8 heavy-duty ribs to support the whole frame. This patio umbrella is the perfect addition to any patio or any backyard needs. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, lounging by the pool, or enjoying a quiet moment in your garden, this umbrella is the perfect companion for all your outdoor activities. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. I'll provide DOMI's info and link on the description box below in case if you are interested. Continuing on with the setup of the umbrella, I hope you stay and watch the whole video to get ideas on how to set up your patio dining space, as we share how we have set this patio space ready to host any gatherings this summer. I thank you in advance for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.